Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm starting the day off with a little session, a little recording session. Sometimes I like to start the day off knowing I start feeling good, wake up on the right side of the bed. I let it carry over into everything that I'm doing, and sometimes I like to record while I'm in that mode. So just did a little session in the morning, and then I got to packing because I'm taking this trip to New York. I have to show off what the process is. Shout out Yvonne, she did her thing with my hair. The barber did his thing too. He chopped it up. You know what I'm saying? Coming back in the game, as he'll say. Yeah, and then finished packing. Welcome, you guys. Thank you for coming back to my channel. It's your boy Cal. Real quick, just taking a trip. I will try my best to make some videos for you guys. I'll try my best to make some content. I'm still getting used to this content creating thing, but it's fun. I'm enjoying it actually. I actually think I'm gonna be here for a while. I forgot to mention the last time. I'm also a big UFC fan. So last week UFC kind of messed me up a little bit just because Alex Volk, if you guys know UFC, you know who that is. Man, this man got knocked out, and I was not even expecting it. Had a long day, and I was watching the fights, and this is rare, but it's happened to me like once or twice. I get comfortable and I'm sitting there, and I'll just pass out while watching the fight, and I woke up to the post fight, and they were talking about how he got knocked out, and I'm on Twitter scrolling looking for a video just to confirm, because I mean, obviously they confirmed it, but sometimes you just can't believe something until you see it for yourself. So it was one of those, and it was kind of strange. But anyway, for those who don't know or aren't into UFC, I don't want to bore you guys too much, but just part of my week that was kind of a little upsetting a little bit. But besides that, Arsenal's been doing the thing. Come on, NBA, y'all need to hire somebody to figure out the All Star game. Just like figure it out. Like that thing is just getting whacked. Y'all have Jaime at the dunk contest. Jaime, Jaime. You have John Morant that y'all never called to the dunk contest. AE never called to the dunk contest. Like, are y'all actually trying to make it fun, or are you just trying to pass time? And people are paying to go to these places. People are paying to spend money at these events, and you can't put on the like. You have how many players, bro? Like off the top of my head, I can list players that even if you just rotate them, like, bro, they could have even had Jason Tatum at the dunk contest before they went and put what's his name, his teammate. Bro, that boy, bro, what type of dunk is that boy doing? It's just like putting KD in the dunk contest. What is he doing? He's not doing anything. Anyway, best part of that is that it's over. I'm trying to get back into the real nitty gritty. I'm trying to see how far the Clippers can go. I believe this year the Clippers can really go all the way. But before I start talking about the Clippers, I just wanted to list a few guys besides AE that I think could be in the dunk contest, and these people are playing. Bro, there's Trey Murphy in the Pelicans. Who else? There's a few dudes on the Thunder team they could have put on there. I don't get it. I just don't get it. But let's move past that. Clippers. I think they can do it. I'm really optimistic. I'm just trying to take it one day at a time. So we'll see. We'll see. What else? What else? And I think that's it, guys. I will be letting you guys know what's going on my trip. Probably will make another video. And I have more things coming up when I get back. So I'll be giving you guys some more content and some more happenings in my life. So, like I said, I appreciate you guys being here. Like, subscribe, comment. I didn't say that earlier. I got to get used to doing all this, but yeah. Thank you. I'm out.
Now I'm at the airport waiting for my flight. I actually fell asleep after recording this, and thank God I woke up right before that gate closed because I was about to miss my flight. Crazy. Thank God I made it. Would have been really mad if I missed my early morning flight. My whole day would have been somewhat messed up. But we made it. I'm here. Let me take a little trip to this mall called American Dream in Jersey. That mall is really nice. One thing about me, I love malls, especially if it's like well orchestrated, well designed. Like a mall should be more than just a place to shop. You should actually like they did their thing with this mall. Like this mall, you're all about to see. This mall is really the mall. This is probably the best mall I've seen. I would have to find something else to beat this. But yeah, I'm a sucker for malls. I can be in the mall for hours. You know, you get some food, go do a little shopping. Uh, if they have theme parks and things like that at the mall, you know, it's literally something that you can spend a whole day with doing different things. This is something I wanted to try out. I wanted to do the indoor snowboarding, but I didn't come prepared, so I'll revisit that. I also want to check out this Nickelodeon Universe theme park. Um, Sometimes just be a big kid, you know. Work so hard, and then you gotta play hard too sometimes. This was really cool. They made this Harry Potter a portrait out of jelly beans. I'm a sucker for art, and sometimes I'm just fascinated by certain things, and it's one of them. Check out your boy. I gotta figure out how to do the full thing so I can see the full fit, but you know, hold that. But yeah, one of the main reasons why I came out here, my boy's getting married. So we head out to this engagement party. Pretty chill, pretty intimate. I don't have too much clips from that just because we were enjoying the moment. It's my boy and his girl. And now I'm back to Georgia. Back to Georgia. I'm tired. As y'all can see. Yeah, I'm on the way back to the airport. I am going back to pretty much start grinding because there's other stuff that I have to do once I get back. So, yep, here it is. I'm back and packing again. But now I'm packing because I'm actually moving. So, yeah, tearing it all down, taking everything apart, putting everything in boxes and bins, and I'm just grateful that I like my current spot because I'm not moving for a while. I don't know what a while is, but I'm not moving for a while. When I tell you that moving is a lot. Okay, moving is a lot, and God willing, I'm going to hire movers the next time I do this, just because I don't need this. I don't need to be doing all this. Honestly, it was a lot. And I live in a one-bedroom apartment. I lived in a one-bedroom apartment at the time, so it shouldn't have been that crazy. That's what I thought, but it was really crazy. And this is just a little that I was able to show because it got really crazy, and yeah, it wasn't fun, and I really didn't have time or the patience to start setting up the camera to record the process. So I'm glad I got some of this for you guys to see. So I'm taking out my bed to start to pack up my room. At this point, I believe the kitchen was pretty much packed. Everything else was packed. I felt like my room was the major thing that I needed to finish with, so I just did everything else and left the biggest task for the last thing that I had to do. So um, yeah, and that's pretty much it. Started putting clothes into bags. Um, I was moving really pretty close by where I'm moving to, pretty close by, so I didn't bother to take my clothes off hangers. I just put them in bags as they were, so I was able to just set stuff up once I got to my new place. It saved me time because imagine having to take everything off hangers, fold them, put it in a bag, and then get back over there and start to hang them back up. Yeah, so this saved me time.
Yeah, it's been a lot going on these past few months. Sorry I haven't been posting since I started and posting since I posted my first video. Uh, I moved, had to travel. I traveled before I moved, but it all happened around the same time. I had to travel for an engagement party that I will be one of the best men at. I'm looking forward to that. Um, I also moved when I came back from that engagement party when I went to New York. And the last few months has just been me getting the apartment ready, trying to get back into my routine. Um, yeah, and I'm back. And I will try to be more consistent. I will try to show more of my everyday life and more fun stuff. I have some plans for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy what I have been cooking up for you guys. So it's just time to start to show you. What else? Season's over. Arsenal fell just short. But it was a great season. I'm very proud of my boys. Very optimistic for the new season. And yeah, yeah, UFC, some new fights coming up. Connor is about to fight Chandler. I'm not really too hyped about that because yeah, it's gonna be this big fight. Everybody wants to see Connor after 2 years or 3 years or something like that. But for me, I'm always more enthused, if that's the right word, but it's more exciting when you're fighting for a championship or you're fighting towards getting the belt. But Connor is just he's just making the money at this point. He has 2 fights left on his contract. I believe he's going to be done after those 2 fights on his contract. So yeah, it's the playoffs right now. It's the playoffs. My Clippers are done, and unfortunately, I'm done with the Clippers too. I'm taking my talents back to OKC. I'm now with OKC again. I know OKC lost as well, but I believe, like I was just saying about UFC, I believe that OKC is building a championship team. This is their first time getting to the playoffs. They got to the second round. The Clippers have been a championship team and building, and they can't get past the first. I can't support losing for too long. If it has to be a means to an end, it just can't be every day. Like I like to support a winning mentality. Just like, subscribe, comment. I did see somebody from France, I believe, post on my last video. I am currently working on my French, so I could speak to y'all soon. So for now, just use the translation. And I just real quick, I just wanted to correct myself because I just realized I said I will be one of the best men at my friend's wedding. There's only one best man, obviously, so I am gonna be one of the groomsmen at the wedding is what I meant to say. Just clarifying. But peace out, guys.